She opens the window. She opens the window. He drinks water. He drinks water. They wash their hands. They wash their hands. We clean the room. We clean the room. We brush our teeth. We brush our teeth. She combs her hair. She combs her hair. I write a letter. I write a letter. He wears a jacket. He wears a jacket. She opens her bag. She opens her bag. He answers the phone. He answers the phone. I lock the door. I lock the door. She unlocks the door. She unlocks the door. He sits on the chair. He sits on the chair. I stand near the door. I stand near the door. They cook dinner. They cook dinner. She cuts the cake. She cuts the cake. He carries a bag. He carries a bag. I switch off the fan. I switch off the fan. They read a book. They read a book. I make the bed. I make the bed. She waters the plants. She waters the plants. He feeds the dog. He feeds the dog. We wash the dishes. We wash the dishes. I fold my clothes. I fold my clothes. She hangs the clothes. She hangs the clothes. He opens the fridge. He opens the fridge. They cook breakfast. They cook breakfast. I pour some milk. I pour some milk. She cuts vegetables. She cuts vegetables. He peels a banana. He peels a banana. We set the table. We set the table. I close the curtain. I close the curtain. She switches on the fan. She switches on the fan. He switches off the TV. He switches off the TV. They climb the stairs. They climb the stairs. I carry a backpack. I carry a backpack. She packs her bag. She packs her bag. He locks the gate. He locks the gate.